All right, hey everyone, welcome back. So today we're going to apply a film over the headlights. All right, now if you guys are new to the channel, the reason why we're doing this is because I drive a lot. I travel a lot on the roads. I want to make sure I protect these lenses from getting stone chips. All right, now this is more like a plastic, so they're not going to shatter from glass. But what can happen is over time you're going to develop little specks, and then over time it looks like you just always have something on your light. It can degrade the color of the light, but it just looks dirty all the time. Looks like you just always have constant stuff on your headlights. Second reason is if you park your car outside, especially out here in the California sun, what can happen is these lights can start to fade, peel, and turn yellow over time. Doesn't matter how new your car is, eventually it will happen. All right, so it's good to apply a film. So let's get started. All right, so I ordered this kit from Laminex. It is they sell different types for your car. This is a pre-cut kit. You can do the clear or different shades. I decided to do clear for the headlight, and then for the fog light, I'm actually going to do clear as well. But some people opt to do yellow, so you can do any color you want. I'm going to do clear and clear. Just keep everything OEM as possible. So in the box, I'll show you what we get in the box. You're going to get everything all wrapped up. Like I said, this is pre-cut kit. So inside you're going to get a card to help squeegee. The light, you're going to find some instructions. So you're going to see that as well. And then you're going to have a blade to trim up here, and then a little water bottle to make your adjustments for, obviously when you're applying it, you want to spray the lens with water, and I'll show you how to do that. We can peel it and reapply and make our adjustments from there. Here's our fog lights. It's got the little tabs. You can hold onto these tabs, and when you get it applied where you want it, you can trim them. It even came with some for the side markers. I'm not too particular about protecting side markers, but sure, why not? And then the headlight. This looks like it's going to be driver's side. Get away from me, fly. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is clean the light. All right, so I'm lightly mist. Just plain water in here. And I'm just gonna clean this light to make sure I got everything off of here. And I'm gonna do one more mist. Then I'm gonna apply my film, just like on here. One more test fit. Make sure I got the right direction. And we're gonna peel this off. Come on. All right, at this point, I need to work the film, need to soften it a little bit to get over these bumps on the light, and I'll start squeegeeing it out. So just a heating tool. All right, now don't worry about the extra stuff sticking out. You can always trim this back. For now, like I said, the form over this, just gonna heat it up a little bit. Use this green card I gave you. So guys, I'm gonna say the biggest challenge is getting over these bumps. So let's start again, clean this. And let's try getting this really clean. Film has a little pre-cut right here for this little bump. So what I'm gonna do, this film is, see how thick it is? It doesn't want to form. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna heat up the film to get it soft enough to where I can form it exactly where I need it. See, it's already getting softer here. What I'm doing is I'm making the film soft enough to mold it and / shrink it too. Now all this stuff right here, it looks ugly, but it will dry up, it will evaporate, it will clear up in a few days. So don't worry about, what you want to worry about is these bigger bubbles. Take this little knife here, I'm just going to poke a hole. Then we're done, just trim. Be very careful, don't cut your car. Fog lights are simple. All right, everyone, conclusion. I ended up I've been cutting the film accidentally on the passenger side. Now, I'll have to order new film. It would have been like another 50 bucks and the whole new kit, blah, blah, blah. Or I could have called and probably worked it out. But when I was getting the PPF done, the shop offered to redo the headlights for an extra fee. And I thought, my time of having to go back in there again, which is quicker and easier, and that was it. But at least you guys can see it. If you had the time and patience, it can be done, I would say, within about 30 minutes each light, I would say. Just give yourself more time to mold it around. Now, the shop did the Expel kit. The Expel actually has a cutout around the bumps, so I think that might make it easier to form. But also too, it's like, when you do these lights, that water that was underneath the film, it takes a while for these laminates, it takes a while to evaporate. I would say at least a week or so. If you guys want to see my other install, I did that on the M3, and this car still has the film on today, and it's just been almost 2-3 years. I did the wet polish. I can link the videos, one of my earlier videos, but I ended up sanding all the pits out of the light and applying the film. So if you found the video helpful, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.